My name is Victoria and I'm a client concierge here at Chivari.
And the chair that I love the most is our resin steel skeleton wood grain Chivari chair.
Bamboo steel skeleton folding chair
is our line of bistro chairs.
Louis Pop chair with a tweed seat and back.
It's this royal chair. Has a rattan back. It's a resin with a natural look.
It looks like wood, but it's actually resin.
If I keep it outdoors, I will never have to replace it again because it's a steel skeleton resin-made synthetic bamboo.
And as you can see, it has a wood look even though it's resin, so you could easily have this outdoors.
So they're weather resistant. The base is made of aluminum, so it's not going to rust, it's not going to tarnish.
In the rain, in the snow, doesn't matter what weather it is.
It's a beautiful chair. I can have some margaritas by the pool and never have to worry about a kid getting hurt, and I'll never have to replace it.
We have an ivory seat on it. It's fabric. It's super comfortable, very durable.
And they're sleek, stylish. We have several different color options, both armless and with arms.
And combine it with our farmhouse tables. It's a beautiful combination. I love the centerpieces that you can build with flowers and drapery, and it looks stunning.
And we have bar stools as well, and benches. So we have a complete line of bistro chairs that I really, really like. I can't say enough about these chairs. I really, really like them.
I think you would be happy just like I am with this particular chair.
Check it out.